I am now going to show you how to make a miniature shoebox. First, upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, if it comes out dark, you want to lighten it. Go to your color palette, select white, and now you can see your score line. Next, you want to adjust your box according to the size that you desire. I am using a 12 by 12 cardstock, and I want to maximize the use of that cardstock. And so my box has been set to 10.7 by 11.4, which will give me the most use out of my cardstock. Next, I want to make a copy and paste and create a smaller version and set it to the side for use later. Now we want to ungroup our image, creating your blank template and your score line template. In order for the score lines to be used, you have to recreate them. So you go to shapes, click score line, and you're going to create a score line for each line on this template. So I'm going to just copy and paste, and I have another line. I'm going to make sure I adjust them accordingly. Okay. So you want to, oh, that one is way too long. So you want to start top and then adjust it from the arrow. Okay. That way you have a line. And if it's easier to just put them side by side and make your adjustments, you can do that. And then line them up. You want to do that for all the vertical lines, all the horizontal lines. Okay. Now I have already, to save time, created my template. And I'm going to show you. Oh, how it's all lined up. Okay. Once you have created your template, you want to go ahead and delete the original. The score lines that you've created, you want to highlight them. Oops. Highlight it and then click attach. That way you'll have one solid template of score lines. Now you want to move move this to the front, and you're going to line them up over your box template. Now you can make use of this just in case you need to. See how the lines are lined up. That was the purpose of having this extra template, just for reference of setting your line. Okay. Now that my lines are set, I can delete that template, highlight this template, and attach. And now you have one piece. Now, if you're going to add an image on the top of your box, which this is the top, you can go ahead now and upload your image that you will be using. And I have created this Air Jordan template for this box. And I'm going to minimize it all the way to my desired size. There. So I can put that to the side. I can use it to cut along with my box. And now you are ready to cut. Before you begin, and it says that my image is a little larger, it's not that much larger. It will cut out the whole thing. So I'll just click OK. I'm aware of the size. And now I am ready to begin cutting. Now I am ready to cut. I have in my machine, I have added my score tool. I will continue. My paper is on my mat. I am using medium cardstock, 80 pounds. So I'm going to click my 80 pounds, and now I am ready to begin. Now the machine is proceeding to score. Now that the machine is done scoring, I am going to change my blade to my cut blade, and I can continue. Now that my template is complete cutting, I will begin to proceed to put my box together. Before I close my Cricut, I did add my image on the box top before folding. Now, my next step is to create the crease in all of the fold lines. Press down as hard as you can. Give it a nice firm push. I want to do all of these lines. Very easy, very easy. Make sure they're nice and straight. If your lines happen to not come out even, you can always go back and readjust your line and do another cut. Practice makes perfect. Now that I have all of my lines folded, I can begin to glue the box together. You can use a non-toxic glue. I believe tacky glue is the best, but for now, I have this Elmer's glue stick. I'm gonna just rub it in. And set it inside the fold line. I'll do the same thing on this side. Ooh, I'm just doing a little just for the tutorial purpose. Set it in. You want to do the same thing for these two edges. Glue, glue. You want to hold it for a few seconds so that it will set. Next, you want to set the box up, and you're going to glue along this edge on both sides. Make sure you tabs on the inside firmly. Hold it down. Same thing on the other end. All right, now you have created the inside box. Now to complete the lid, you want to put glue on both of these tabs. And then while you're at it, you can go across the top. Save you a little time. Okay. Fold these in. Set them. Hold it down. Set. Hold it close and set for a few seconds. And there we have it. A completed box. Wow, how beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you for watching.